Alpine Bliss recipe. A warm delight for winter days. Welcome to our kitchen, where we're about to whip up a delightful treat perfect for those chilly winter days. Today, we're making Alpine Bliss, a comforting and indulgent beverage that will warm you from the inside out. Let's get started. Ingredients. 2 cups of whole milk. 1/2 cup of heavy cream. 4 ounces of high-quality dark chocolate, chopped. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. A pinch of salt. Whipped cream, for topping. Grated chocolate or cocoa powder, for garnish. Instructions. In a saucepan, combine the whole milk and heavy cream. Stirring occasionally, heat the mixture until it's warm but not boiling. Next, add in the chopped dark chocolate, cocoa powder, granulated sugar, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Continue to stir until the chocolate is completely melted and the mixture is smooth and creamy. Once everything is well combined and heated through, it's time to serve. Pour the Alpine Bliss into your favorite mugs, leaving a little room at the top for toppings. Now, for the finishing touch, add a generous dollop of whipped cream on top of each mug. And there you have it, Alpine Bliss. A decadent and cozy treat to enjoy on those cold winter nights. Don't forget to sprinkle some grated chocolate or cocoa powder on top for an extra touch of indulgence. Cheers to warmth and comfort. The host raising a mug of Alpine Bliss in a toast, with a snowy mountain landscape visible through the window in the background. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious creations. Until next time, stay warm and keep cooking.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.